O yan tol, if you're wondering where is this place located, this place is located at Laquios, Arayat, Pampanga. Only in the Philippines. Huh? Ayun tol, nag-i-English na utol mo pag international na tayo. Pag global na tayo. They cannot eyes us anymore. Okay, o joke lang po yun. Ayan po, look at the place. Napakaganda. Left side, front, right side. Okay. Kung natapos mo na pong gawin yung exercise ng eye and neck, so hindi ka na po level 0. So level 1 na tayo. If you're on level 1 on your driving skills, what you are going to do is to learn how to start the car or the engine.
What?
Paano po gagawin yon? So madali lang po ang pag-start. So sa level 1, kung paano pag-start ng car natin or engine of our car. Huh? So ito po yung susi. Ita-turn on natin, dalawang pihit clockwise, 1, 2. So ibig sabihin po naka-turn on na yan. And then manual driving po tayo, no? Looban ng Panginoon, makakapagturo din tayo ng matic or automatic pagdating ng araw kapag niloob ni Lord na bibigyan tayo. So press the clutch, yan, all the way down to the bottom. And then kapag nag-on na po, automatic yan, magta-turn on na yung mga accessories, car accessories. And then after you press the clutch pedal, just click the key, siguro 1 to 1.5 cm. Ayan po. Right side din or clockwise din. Yan. And then gently release the clutch. Be sure po kapag ginagawa natin yung pag-start ng sasakyan, yung gear stick natin, we can move freely west and east side or nasa neutral siya. No po? So ganun po ang ipapractice muna natin. And then just press gently the gas pedal. You will find that on the right side. Yung pinakadulong right side. Ayun po. Tatlo po yung pedal na yan. Yung left side most, yun ang ating clutch. And then yung sa center, yun ang ating brake pedal. And then this is the gas pedal or the accelerator pedal. Imamasteran mo lang muna yan tol. Yan. Kung kailan nagre-revolutionize o nagre-revolution yung gasalinan. Yan. Pakinggan mo tol. Yan. Yan. So yan muna ang ipapractice mo. Hindi mo pa pwedeng palakarin yung sasakyan tol. Baka makasagi ka or makatama ka. Kung nasa level 1 pa lang tayo ng skills on driving. And if you are willing to learn tol, gawin mo lang yan. Lagi mong gagawin. Ita-turn on mo lang. And then, turn off mo. Turn on mo. Mga 10 to 15 minutes. Diyan ka lang sa car mo. Stay ka lang. So, exercise lang. And then, pwede mo rin isasabay tol yung exercise na left side. Looking at the side mirror. And then, front. Habang ginagas mo. Pero hindi yan lumalakad dapat. And then, dun sa right side mirror and then dito sa front. Lagi mo lang pinapractice yan tol and then nasa level 1 ka na, tapos na yung level 1 mo kapag na-master mo na yung dalawang pinapapractice ko, malapit na tayong palakarin ang ating sasakyan. So yun lang muna tol and thinking na na-enjoy natin ang learning how to drive even without car or pwede mo i-save to tol for your future reference. So yun muna, maraming salamat and God bless.